Well, PB Fintech debuted today on markets. Of course, the IPO price for the company was 980 rupees a share. The company has raised around 5,600 odd crores of capital in its IPO. The debut happened at a 17% listing gain for the company. The company currently trading at almost 20% plus of gains. When you look at it overall, PB Fintech owns two platforms, if I may use that word, both Policy Bazaar and Paisa Bazaar. Policy Bazaar, of course, is the insurance comparison website, started off in 2008, has now 51 insurer partners offering over 340 products across term, health, motor, home, and travel. It's India's largest digital insurance marketplace with a market share of almost 93.5% as of 2020. Now, of course, this is one of the platforms. The other platform is Paisa Bazaar. Paisa Bazaar provides a variety of personal loans and credit cards for consumers. It's partnered with almost 54 large banks, NBFCs, as well as fintech lenders, and offers a wide choice of products to consumers across personal and credit categories. When you look at it, it's the largest digital consumer credit marketplace with a 50% plus market share. Now, along with Nykaa, these are two more platforms which have gone into listing, and of course listing gains of 20%, as I did mention. Nykaa too had posted almost 75 to 80% of listing gains on its debut day, and when you look at the subscription details, even for this particular company, it was oversubscribed 16.5 times overall. Of course, retail component oversubscribed 3.3 times, but really institutions biting into this particular company 25 times almost was what the QIB component was oversubscribed by, and the NII was oversubscribed almost 8 times. So a lot of interest, strong interest there. Even when you look at what the grey market valuations for the company were, they were roughly in the 10 to 15% mark, 10 to 15% premium to what the IPO price of 980 rupees was. In terms of financials, the company has made 150 crore loss, halving its losses versus FY20 in FY21, and that will of course play on the minds of investors, given that Zomato is also loss making, Nykaa is the only profit making platform, and now with Paisa Bazaar and Policy Bazaar both clubbed into one, as PB Fintech is also loss making. But a strong debut on bourses, listing gains for IPO investors rewarded well, enough money on the table, left on the table for investors who have invested in the IPO, and strong listing gains, as has been the case or has been the trend over the last month or so.